this review, we take a close look at the half-mile long-range solar wireless driveway alarm system. This system is designed to enhance security for your property with easy installation and reliable performance. First, let's talk about installation. The sensors are completely wireless and solar-powered, so you don't need to worry about wiring or changing batteries. You can mount them on walls, fence posts, trees, or any surface. The receiver can handle up to 16 sensors, making it easy to expand coverage as needed. The package comes with one receiver and 2 sensors, but you can add more to cover driveways, gates, gardens, and more. Now, let's look at the detection range. Each sensor can detect motion up to 30 feet away using advanced PIR technology. This minimizes false alarms from small animals or environmental changes. The wireless signal from the sensor to the receiver reaches up to half a mile in open areas, so it's suitable for large properties. One of the standout features is the power source. The sensors have built-in rechargeable batteries that are charged by the solar panel. This means zero maintenance and continuous operation. There's also a USB-C port for charging during cloudy days. The system works in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius, so it's built for extreme weather conditions. You have 4 alert modes: audible alarm, light alarm, both sound and light, or just a silent notification to the receiver. This flexibility allows you to customize alerts for different situations. When triggered, a loud 120 dB siren sounds and bright lights flash to scare off intruders. You can also use it as a remote doorbell. In terms of build quality, the sensors have an IP65 waterproof rating, meaning they can withstand rain and dust. The entire system is durable and reliable. Setting up is straightforward. Pair each sensor with the receiver by pressing the button. Then place the sensors where needed. The receiver plugs into a standard outlet and displays alarms with numbered zones. In conclusion, this solar driveway alarm system offers excellent value for money. It's easy to install, solar-powered for low maintenance, and provides long-range detection. The multiple alert options and expandability make it a versatile security solution for any property. Whether you need to monitor a driveway, gate, or garden, this system does the job effectively. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please check the link in the description to learn more or purchase the product.